In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Perplexity AI account. We're going to walk through each step of the process. So if you've decided that it's time to part ways with Perplexity AI, you're in the right place. Let's get started and make sure we cover everything you need to know to successfully delete your account. First, head over to your internet browser and navigate to Google. This might seem basic, but it's an essential starting point for finding exactly what you need online. If you're already logged into another service, take a quick moment to ensure you're in the right account to avoid any mix-ups later. Now, in the search bar, type Perplexity. Be sure to spell it correctly to ensure you land on the right page. Once Google generates the search results, look for Perplexity's official website and click on the link. This takes you directly to the homepage of Perplexity AI. Now that we're on the Perplexity AI site, it's time to access your profile. You'll find the profile icon typically located at the lower left corner of the page. Click on this icon to open your profile page, where we'll continue the deletion process. It's a good idea to take a moment here and check if you're logged into the correct account, especially if you hold multiple accounts or share a device. On your profile page, look for the account option and give it a click. This section houses important settings and personal information related to your account, and this is exactly where we want to be to initiate the deletion process. Once you're in the account settings, you should see an option that says Delete Account. Click on this option. It's as simple as that. Now, don't panic just yet. At this stage, most platforms will ask you to confirm your decision, and it's likely the case here with Perplexity AI too. They may ask you to verify your identity or confirm that you really want to delete your account. Just an extra safety check to ensure you're making this choice knowingly. This step is crucial, as once you delete the account, you may lose all the data associated with it, and it might not be recoverable. So, if you're sure about deleting the account, confirm the action. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through deleting your Perplexity AI account. It's always a good idea to keep a record of any confirmations or messages about this deletion for future reference, especially in cases of any unexpected issues. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial, and feel free to revisit this guide if you ever need assistance with this process again.